Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. This is FX, and today we'll be analyzing V25 in day 1 time frame, right? So now you can see that market is in an uptrend, in a clear uptrend, right? So we now need to mark our key levels of the market. So first we start by marking this break of structure. BOS. Okay. And then I clone this line and mark the other break of structure on top there. Then I extend the line, show you the break of structure there, right? Then I copy again and mark the other one. So I go on to the first BOS there. Below that, the swing low, and there's no order block there because there's no inefficiency left. So we grab our Fibonacci tool, then I extend from the swing low to the swing high where the break of structure happened, like that. And then we should have taken our entry between the 0.618 and the 0.7 line. That's where we take our entry, and we mark the zone like that. But that zone is too big to trade, so we have to refine it using the concept of liquidity. Like as you can see there, there's liquidity located there, which had been swept there. So we put our zone below that liquidity line so that we can refine it. And as you can see, market just tapped the zone. It almost hit the stop loss, but it just tapped the zone and then continued. And now we move on to the next example, and then we mark the fair value gap there. After marking the fair value gap, mark our order blocks. Of which there's another fair value gap there. We need to mark FVGK, and then mark our order blocks. Is that one where price just tapped and then went back up. We don't use that order block where we marked FVG on top because below that there's another fair value gap, so market will not respect that order block. It will just go down and cut through it like it did, leaving some liquidity on top there. See, that order block is a trap, not order block. Also that one at the bottom, those are both traps because there is a fair value gap below that order block, so it is too risky to enter. And both of those order blocks with fair value gaps below them were just cut through. And there, that was the block I was talking of in the beginning. Market just reacted a bit, but still it continued back down. And then here we have to mark there's the liquidity. There's a lot of consolidation in that area, so liquidity, a lot of liquidity lies below and above that area, guys. Yeah, mark my liquidity there. Okay, now guys, SMC is easy, guys. If you just use the principles correctly, if you just use the strategy correctly, this strategy is very, very profitable, guys. And you also have tight stop losses, guys. So even if you lose 50% of your trades and win 50, you still have you still be in profit. Delete that. Mark our fair value gap there. There's another fair value gap. FVG. Okay, guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and join the WhatsApp group and my Instagram account, link down in the description. And then there's the order block there, which price just tapped onto and then continued up. If you use the strategy correctly, guys, all you get are sniper entries, guys. See, I mark my order block. See, that's the V25 analysis on day 1. And then there we can also mark the liquidity there, that low, that minor low, just beside the fair value gap. There's also liquidity there. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and share the video. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.